Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be walking through how to clear your browsing data in the LibreWolf browser. Whether you want to protect your privacy or simply free up some space, clearing your data can be a good idea. Let's dive right in. The first step is to open your LibreWolf browser. Once LibreWolf is open, we need to go to the settings. To do that, click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of your screen. This is the menu button. From the drop-down, select Settings. In the Settings panel on the left, you'll see several options. Click on Privacy and Security. This section controls all things related to privacy and data storage. Now scroll down until you reach the section labeled Cookies and Site Data. Here you'll find the option to clear data. Click on this button. A pop-up window will appear with two main options: Cookies and Site Data. This will remove any saved login sessions, site preferences, and other related data. There's also an option to select the time range of the data you want to delete. You can choose to clear data from the last hour, last 24 hours, or everything. If you want to delete more data, scroll further down to the History section and click on Clear History. This will allow you to delete your browsing and download history, saved form info, and searches. Keep in mind that clearing cookies and seat data may sign you out of websites or empty your shopping carts. Once you've selected the data you want to clear, click Clear to confirm the action. And that's it. You've successfully cleared your browsing data in LibreWolf. It's quick and easy. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.